Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. When I used to work, people used to ask me, what is some I had a lot of them, but it was some I really liked more than others. A go-to meal, like when I came off from work, got off from work, and I didn't have any leftovers, and I wanted something to eat. And this is one of my go-to meals when I used to work, y'all. Come home from work after I done worked 12, 14, sometimes 16-hour shifts, and wanted something to eat. And this is one of the, hold on, y'all. I got a cup missing here. Okay, there it is. This is one of my go-to meals, Fettuccine Carbonara. It's my little twist on carbonara. Classic Fettuccine Carbonara is with either tasso ham, some kind of bacon, or something like that. But I kind of kicked it up a notch, and I put ham in mine instead of bacon, and also put English peas to give me that whole balanced meal. So I got the starch, the veg, and the protein all in one meal, and it will fill me up. After a long, hard day of work, make a quick Alfredo sauce, y'all. I'm gonna make right now. It takes no time to do. Cook up some fettuccine. You don't have to use fettuccine. You can use penne, rigatoni, angel hair, spaghetti. But the classical I'm gonna do today has fettuccine. Like I said, classical carbonara, fettuccine carbonara uses some kind of ham or bacon, like a tasso ham. Mostly it's bacon and Alfredo sauce. That's what carbonara. But I kicked it up a notch. I added some sweet English peas to mine, and instead of using bacon, instead of wanting to cook bacon and all that, I just cooked some nice ham and put in it. And that's what I used to do. I use this so much, y'all. It just give me a balanced meal. You got to, like I say, you got your starch, your veg, your meat, everything good to go. You're good to go. So we're going to move over here, y'all. I got my pasta pot heating up back there. But y'all know me already. I want to get my sauce ready before I cook my pasta, because I never like my pasta waiting on my sauce. So I don't know if I'm going to toss this together. Most time I just use the sauce and I'll drizzle it on top. But we'll see what makes me happy, y'all. So anyway, we're gonna put some cream in here. This out here, pour some heavy cream in here. I don't want to splash it. Okay, got some heavy cream here. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. And over here I got some Parmesan cheese. I got this one I like to make with Alfredo. I love this one in the green can. A lot of people, oh, why you using one in the green can? I love this one when I make Fettuccine Alfredo. When I make Alfredo sauce. I got a little butter, got fresh garlic, granulated garlic. You can use either one. I might use a little each. Of course, fettuccine. And that's it. So, a little salt and pepper. And that's it. So, I'm going to let this sauce come to the boil. We're going to come back. And we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Put this fettuccine sauce together. Alfredo sauce come together so quickly. And then we'll go to the next step. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We are back here. Alright, you see my cream is... Let me turn it and take it off the fire here. That cream will definitely... When it start boiling, it will boil over. When you ever cook with cream, it will, or milk, it will definitely boil over on you. All right, y'all, we're gonna add our Parmesan to this, our garlic, everything to this. All right. Plenty of Parmesan in there, because that's what's gonna help thicken this sauce. Sometimes you have to add a little cornstarch, arrowroot to it, but most time it'll pretty much thicken on its own. Okay, add a little garlic to this. I'm gonna add both kinds. I'm gonna add fresh and granulated. Fresh and granulated garlic, y'all. There we go. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper too to this. I'm gonna add it right at the end after I add my salted butter, because you know the Parmesan is salty. The salted butter, of course, is salty. And then you don't want to put too much salt in it. And turn my water back here down. We're gonna let that come back up to a boil. And that Alfredo be ready. See how quick that is, y'all? Alfredo sauce is almost ready, that quick. I'm gonna mount it with some butter here. Let me get my knife here. See how it's thickening up already? See that? And how thick that is getting already. Now we're gonna add a little butter to this. It's gonna give it some more richness. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Oh, yeah. Let me taste this here. We're gonna see how much salt and pepper I need to add to this. Let's see how much salt and pepper I need to add. Oh yeah. Maybe a teaspoon. Salt and pepper. Yeah, y'all, I come home and this takes no longer than 15 minutes. A little bit more. That's it. This whole sauce, and then the pasta doesn't take that long either. So half an hour, I got a full meal here, ready to eat. Okay, I'm gonna let that simmer just a minute longer. Turn it down here while I put up this stuff here. And we're gonna be right back, y'all. I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna add. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this nice Alfredo sauce. See this? Nice and smooth. And while that's cooking, y'all, we're gonna go on and add our pasta back here. Let me turn this down a little. To a little simmer here. Just a little simmer. That nice Alfredo. Now we're gonna turn it up back there, and we're gonna go on and get my fettuccine going here in the back. I like to break my fettuccine in half, y'all. Just like I do my spaghetti. Okay. Look how smooth that Alfredo sauce is. Let me get my ladle here. Let me show y'all. See that? How nice that Alfredo is. Okay, easy too. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna add as the fettuccine back there cooking, we can go ahead and we're gonna add our peas to this. Peas and our oh yeah, let me get this here. Pasta stirred up back here. I don't want it to stick on me. Alrighty. We don't want that to stick. Okay. Now, all of that I'm gonna add, y'all, now. I'm gonna add my peas to this. And my corn. I'm gonna say corn. Corn would be good in this, actually. And my, come on, Jeffrey, get it out. Ham. Peas and my ham to this. See, there's my sauce right there. And this residual heat, y'all, is gonna cook those. This is frozen peas, of course, you know it's already done. And I'm gonna just kind of let this simmer about 2 or 3 minutes. Look at that, y'all. That's my sauce for my pasta. And my fettuccine, look at that. Pomodoro right there, y'all. Ain't get no better than that, huh? I'll let that simmer come up back to a boil. Oh my God, that's good, y'all. I'll show you. Look at that. That's a sauce. What a nice sauce for the pasta. You got ham in there. You can put turkey you want to, but the classical has bacon in it. Pomodoro. This is what I used to eat when I come home. Make me some garlic bread. Hey, it's on and popping. So we'll be right back when the fettuccine gets ready. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all, I got my sauce here. Hold on here, y'all. Hold on here, just a second. I got my sauce here. I got my pastas ready, and I'm trying to keep it separate. I got my noodles back here, and I put a little oil on them, y'all, to toss them together. So what I do, put my noodles in here, my fettuccine. Like I said, I did put some oil on them so they don't stick together. Like that. Get my sauce here. Just put my sauce right on top of there like that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna put me some Parmesan cheese on here. And I'm gonna be right back, y'all. We're gonna do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna prove to y'all how good this is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this here. Trying to mix that together, y'all. It's hot. Nice creamy pasta, and mix it all in there together. I'm telling y'all, this is my go-to meal. This was my go-to meal, y'all. A little ham on there. Creamy Alfredo. Look at that, y'all. Look at this. Look at this here. Like I say, we got everything in here, y'all. You got your ham. You got your meat, veg, and starch. A little bread there for your carbs. Garlic bread. And we're good to go. See that? I'm telling you, when you come home from work back in the day, I'm looking for a good, quick go-to meal. This was one of them. It definitely was one of them. So you see how easy it was to put that together? And y'all can put chicken. You can put turkey. Whatever you want, y'all. Whatever your favorite meat is, whatever vegetable, you can just mix it in there. So, anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.